Hi students, today we are going to discuss about the pH calculation. Calculate the pH of 0.5 normal NaOH. So you have to first of all ionize this. NaOH, add H2O to give is an equilibrium arrow. Na plus OH minus H plus OH minus. Here in this problem they are given calculate, they asked the pH of 0.5 normal NaOH. pH of 0.5 normal NaOH. So this is given in normality, but the concentrations here are given in molarity. For example, if it is water, then it is split as H plus 10 power minus 7 mole per liter, and this is also 10 power minus 7 mole per liter, that is molar solution. And what about the concentration of NaOH? It is given as a 0.5 normal, and here it's split, and this is available because this 0.5 normal indicates the concentration of OH minus ion. So that is given as 0.5 normal. This is in molarity, so you need to convert this into molarity. There is an equation to convert normality to molarity. N is equal to M into E, where N is equal to normality, M is equal to molarity, right? So you have to first of all convert this. In order to convert, you just substitute N 0.5, M that is asked. What is the valency factor? The valency factor is number of replaceable hydroxyl ion in the case of sodium hydroxide. In the case of acid, for example, if it is a HCl, the valency factor is 1 because there is one replaceable hydrogen. And what about H2SO4? It is dibasic acid. The valency factor is 2 because there are 2 protons available on ionization. So it is 2. So in this case it is only 1 because we have got 1 OH. Therefore 0.5 into 1. In that case molarity is equal to normality, that is 0.5 only. Okay, right. Now what you can do, you can proceed further. So this is 0.5 molar because normality and molarity are same. So you can bring this 0.5. And what is asked here, pH, we have to adopt two important equations. One is pH is equal to negative log of hydrogen ion concentration. pOH is equal to negative log of OH minus ion concentration. And pH plus pOH is equal to 14. Now remember whether it is given as OH minus or H plus. It is given as OH minus. So you have to work out only this. So find out first pOH and substitute here so that you can get pH by subtracting from 14. Now let us go ahead with one. pOH. pOH is equal to negative log of hydroxyl ion concentration. What is that? 0.5 molar. Okay. Now for 0.5, the logarithm is, this is 0. So 1 bar 6990. Okay. And here, so once you have taken the logarithm, you can remove that, and the minus 1, you have to convert this. This is x bar, you have to convert into minus x. So in order to do that, you have to follow this technique, x bar to x minus. So add 1 and subtract the decimal from 1. subtract from 1. So add 1, this is 0. And what about the decimal? Subtract from 1, put 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 6, 9, 9, 0. So you will get 3, 0, 1, 0. Okay, so you already added 1, so 0.3010. So that becomes minus. Okay, so you can have now minus sign, right? So POH is equal to minus of 0.3010, right? Now minus of minus plus, so 0.3010. This is POH. But what is asked here? pH. So pH is equal to, you can adopt this equation. pH plus POH is equal to 14. So 14 minus 0.3010. So that you are able to get 13.6990. So this is the pH of NaOH of concentration 0.5 molar. Okay.